cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make watan ho, yeah, for lunch for my family. Okay, so let's take a look at the ingredient. I have one packet of kuay tiaw, right? Fresh kuay tiaw and somewhere around 450 grams. And what else we need? Actually, the most important thing here is this one, the broth. You can use chicken stock, you can use pork broth, you can sometimes I will actually mix pork broth or chicken stock together with some instant, when I say instant meaning I make it on the spot, the prawn broth using the prawn shell. Okay, many of you have seen me doing that. So today my pork broth is actually very thick, so I'm just using the pork broth alone. And of course some veggie, choy some spring onion, and then the ingredient inside this one, I'm actually the shell, I leave the head and tail but remove the shell. These are actually I got it from my favorite online seafood seller, very reliable. And why I like it is because this tiger prawn here, they actually come in this packet, and because of their technology using liquid nitrogen, so unlike the normal prawn ice block that you buy from online, everything will come in one whole big piece of ice block. But this one, see, it is actually individually frozen. So let's say today I need to use only 2 pieces, I will just take out 2 pieces and put it under water to defrost it for the next 10 minutes. And then I can use already. Super fragrant, and I visited their prawn farm before, very fresh, very clean, yeah? So if you want to know where to buy this prawn, I will leave the description. I'll leave the purchase info in the description later. So other than that, I have some meat slices, right? Pork meat here, or you can use chicken, of course, and marinated with some salt, rice wine, and also cornstarch, right? This is optional. Liver, pork liver, also marinated with some rice wine, salt, and also cornstarch. Few pieces of fish paste, yeah. Fried fish paste, and this one some chopped garlic and sliced ginger. I have some chopped spring onion and also pork crackling here. That's all we need, plus a little bit of seasoning. So basically this dish is actually very simple if you have this broth, right? This is the only thing which may take a little bit of time. So I always make extra broth and keep it in my freezer into different size of boxes. Every time I need to use it, I will actually take it out and defrost it. Okay, so this is actually my pork broth from yesterday. I made it yesterday. So this dish is actually not difficult. There's only 2 steps. The first step is to char. You want to char, give the char and stir fry the kuay tiaw. After that, you make the broth and add on some cornstarch and put it onto the kuay tiaw. That's all.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Okay, so the first step of char the kuay tiaw is actually quite important here. Put some oil, for 2 tablespoons of oil here, and then heat up this. Then only I will heat up the wok, and then I will put in the kuay tiaw. We'll come back shortly. Alright, once the oil is heated up, you can actually put in the kuay tiaw. Usually if yellow noodle, I will actually rinse it, but kuay tiaw I won't. Because I don't want to wash away the oil. There is an oil actually covering the kuay tiaw. So this is the part where you want to create the char aroma. So it can actually take a couple of minutes. There's one thing you want to add here, which is the black soya sauce. Okay, I have my dark soya sauce here. And I'm going to pre-flavor it with a little bit of light soya sauce. Oh, super fragrant. Use medium-high heat, yeah? Let's char this, keep on stirring, and let's char this for approximately maybe 3 to 5 minutes. So this is actually the part where the stores or the restaurant created the wok hei. They're going to use a lot of heat to create a lot of smokes coming out here, and all that will give you the wok hei. Okay, I will keep on stirring, and we will come back shortly after about a couple of minutes. Right, this is after about 3-4 minutes. You can see a lot of smokes coming out. That is the wok hei you really wanted. Okay, you don't have to overdo this at home. Okay, now it's done. Go to take it out and set it aside. And now we are going to make the gravy. The gravy is also very simple. Let's give it a bit of vegetable oil. We're going to saute the garlic and ginger. And also the white portion of the spring onion stalks. Let me double check your angle. Okay. Oh, we are going to use egg later. Yeah, I forgot to show you the egg. Tan ho, tan meaning egg. Smooth egg. Yeah, it's going to be a smooth egg effect. Okay, right. Once you start smelling the aroma coming out from this, you can then add in the pork stock, add in the pork slices, the fried fish cake, the prawn. I'll add in the liver a little bit later, the veggie, and now we can actually season this. You don't need a lot of seasoning on this. It's just those very simple few seasoning that we all will be using, such as oyster sauce, around about 1 good tablespoon, one round of light soy sauce. I'll give you a little bit of fish sauce. This is my personal preference. All this sauce I will put all the ingredient list I'll put in the description also, right? And a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, if you don't like to add sugar, no need to add, don't worry. Some people doesn't like it. I'm giving a little bit of Shaoxing wine. Few dashes of white pepper. And now I'm going to put in the liver. Of course, liver is optional. Many people doesn't like it, but it will make the broth a lot more sweeter. The cooking time for the prawn is somewhere around 2 to 3 minutes. Oh, immediately it's very, very fragrant. Now you can actually add in a little bit of sesame oil or garlic oil, up to you. Okay, I'm putting in the sesame oil. Now before we add the egg, we need to starch this first. Smooth egg effect can only be achieved after you starch it. Yeah, this is very important. Remember that. I'm getting ready the cornstarch, the starch solution, and also 1 egg. Break the egg open first. And give it a few stir. Alright, now everything is fully cooked by now. Super fragrant. Alright, the safest way for a beginner like Appa to starch any broth is to off the heat first. That is the safest way. Of course, if you are a Kung Fu master, go ahead. You can add in your cornstarch whenever you like. So that it doesn't clumps out, yeah? Let me see, is it thick enough? If it's not thick enough, Appa will add a bit more. Because Appa doesn't like starch, so very often Appa starch is not very thick one. Let me see, is it thick enough? I think can. You can add a little bit even more thicker, yeah? I use about 3 big teaspoons of starch powder. Okay, now can. And then it's very thick now. And this is the time where you can actually add in the egg. I think the broth is a lot. I'm going to add in 1 more egg. Because this is cooking for 3 persons here. Okay, so the residual heat will cook the egg. You don't need to open the fire again. Alright, now you have the smooth egg effect. So the broth is ready. All you need to do is to transfer the broth over to your serving plate. Alright, so I have my broth here. Ooh, this is going to taste so good. Ooh, looks so good. And I have some spring onion and pork crackling on top. We can garnish it with a little bit of few dashes of white pepper if you like. Alright, done. By the way, this one you can eat with white rice. It will taste really good. Okay, so here's Appa's Wah Tan Ho. Very simple, very quick. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Appa is reaching 200,000 subscribers very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.